Good morning, children. Myself, Mrs. Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you a short poem, Mama's Hand, of Chapter 4, Activity Book, written by Tommy Joe Castle. So, at first, children, I would just like to say the summary of this poem. In this poem, the mother was illustrated to have dirty hands to represent all of the hard work that she has accomplished. Accomplished means she has done. This simple yet significant poem has changed me into a more confident person who will invest hard work and effort in everyday life. Now, I would like to explain you the poem. Tommy Joe Castle says that I saw you hide your hands. I saw you, Mama, you hide your hands behind that beautiful lady. I noticed too her soft and white, immaculate from care. I have noticed that beautiful lady's hands were soft and white and very delicate. But Ma, I say it's no disgrace to have working hands like you. But Ma, I am saying you that it is not at all shameful to have working hands like you. And had she lived the life you have, she had hands just like that too. She says that, Ma, if that beautiful lady lived the life you have, she would also have hands just like you. Even her hands would be like you. But her hands have never hauled in wood or worked in God's good earth. That beautiful lady's hands have never done any work. It has not dragged any wood or has not done any work in this God's earth. They have never felt the bitter cold or chopped ice for waiting stock. She has never, those beautiful hands have never felt the bitter cold or chopped ice. They have never doctored sick ones or dressed a horse log. Those hands have never doctored sick ones, means has never taken care of any sick person or dressed a horse hawk. Hawk means what? A joint region in the hind limb. They have never pulled a hip locked calf or packed water to the barn. Those beautiful hands have never लॉक्ड इन मीन्स किसी काप को वो बांधे नहीं या तो उसके लिए पानी लेकर उसको पीने के लिए नहीं दिए हैं. दे हैव प्रॉबली नेवर पैच्ड ब्लू जीन्स और हैड बोन ओल्ड सॉक्स टू डान. Those beautiful hands have never patched any blue jeans, means has never stitched any blue jeans. They have never touched a young one or caressed a fevered head. Those hands maybe have never touched a young one. किसी बच्चे का सेवा नहीं किए हैं और caressed a fevered head, या तो जो अस्वस्थ है उसकी देखभाल भी कभी नहीं किए होंगे. With hands so gently folded all night beside his head, just as a mother, she folds her hands and she sits beside the child all through the night, a sick child all through the night. Maybe those beautiful hands have never done that. They have never scrubbed a kitchen floor or done dishes every day. कभी भी न किचन धोई होगी न बर्तन धोई होंगी. They have never guided with those hands a child who lost the way, nor she has ever guided a child who has lost the way. They have never made a Christmas gift shaped by a loving hand. That beautiful lady's hand has never made any gift, a Christmas gift, and has given to any loving hand. They have never peeled apples nor vegetable they have caned. Neither she has peeled apples or vegetables. They have never worn a blister or carcasses to do. न उसके हाथ में कभी ब्लिस्टर हुए, न कोई ऐसे एरिया स्किन में थे जो हार्ड हो गए, अधिक काम के कारण हार्ड हो गए हैं. For all they have done for others and the kindness I know, but your hands have done all the kindness and I know what your hand has done. So you see, my dearest Mama, you are hands of love. So I would like to tell you, Mama, that your hands are the hands of love, and I'll bet the Lord will notice when He greets you from above. And I am sure that when you are going to go to heaven, God is always going to greet you for all the beautiful work you have done on earth, how you have saved the lives of people. आपने किस तरह से सबका सेवा किया, सब काम किए. So this is the poem written by Tommy Joe Castle. Thank you, children. I am going to give the rest part of the chapter by preparing the PDF. Thank you.